Welcome to Miss L's story time. This story is called Read the Book, Lemmings, and it is written by Amy Dyckman, illustrated by Zacharia Ohora. And I'm looking at the cover right now, and my first question is, what is a lemming? And I'm looking at these little creatures, and I wonder if those are lemmings, because generally an author will use a word and put a picture to match the word. But I'm looking at them read the book, and I noticed something funny about how the book is. If you notice something funny going on, whisper it to somebody near you. Oh, I love the end pages of this book. It gives you some pictures. It tells you the setting. I'm guessing the setting is in an icy, watery place. You can give a thumb or a me too if you agree. Now, remember I asked I didn't know what a lemming was? So I'm going to read this little yellow box. It tells me what a lemming is. Lemmings, small, fuzzy, illiterate rodents who share the icy north with Arctic foxes and polar bears. People used to think lemmings jumped off cliffs. Now we know they don't. And here it says, wonder what that says. Me too, ditto. Uh-oh, he just said that lemmings don't jump off cliffs, but what's happening here? He's jumping off a cliff. How does he know? Read the book, Lemmings. Look at that big ship. Very cool. Maybe something like how Dyckman builds with Legos. Foxy found a quiet spot to read his book about lemmings. Huh, said Foxy. It says here, lemmings don't jump off cliffs. Jump, I'll jump, said a lemming. Me too, said a second. Ditto, said a third. Geronimo! Huh? Said Captain Peavy. I guess they didn't read the book. Foxy looked. Wet, very wet, called the first lemming. Me too, called the second. Ditto, called the third. Foxy sighed. Sir, he asked, may I borrow your bucket? Fine, said Captain Peavy, but your lemmings better not eat my fish. Foxy pulled, Foxy dumped, Foxy gave his lemmings names and hats so he could scold them properly. Focus, Jumper, Foxy said. You too, me too. Ditto, ditto. Read the book, lemmings. Huh? Said the lemmings. Exactly, Foxy said. The book says you don't. Don't? Asked Jumpers. Don't what? Jump off cliffs, Foxy said. And the book says everything about lemmings. Jump, I'll jump, said Jumper. Me too, said Me too. Ditto, said Ditto. Geronimo! Splash! You know, said Captain PB, I don't think they read the book. Help, need help, called Jumper. Me too, called Me too. Ditto, cried Ditto. I guess lemmings can't swim. Foxy groaned. I hate to ask again. Oh, take it, grumbled Captain PB. My fish already tastes like lemmings. Foxy dumped the lemmings out a little less gently than before. I'm falling, said Jumper. Me too, said Me too. Fell, said Ditto. Now, maybe if they were listening, that wouldn't happen. What were you thinking? Foxy yelled. The book says you don't. Foxy stopped. Just read the book, lemmings. Ah, said the lemmings. They took a look and returned the book. Huh, said Captain PB. Good thing you didn't say jump. Jump? I like the use of speech bubbles in this book. It's pretty funny. Nope, said Captain PB. They definitely didn't read the book. Geronimo! Sinking, sinking fast, cried Jumper. Me too, cried Me too. Glub, glub, glubbed Ditto. Uh-oh, I wonder how they will get out of the water. There was no time to use the bucket. Watch my book, Foxy said. Cannonball! Foxy to the rescue. Foxy scooped, Foxy swam, Foxy flopped. Saved, I'm saved, said Jumper. Me too, said Me Too. Ditto opened his mouth. I love you. Foxy blinked. Thank you, Foxy said. Ditto. And Ditto is hugging him. Question, Foxy asked. Why didn't you read the books, Lemmings? He looks pretty mad, doesn't he? I can tell he's mad because there is big letters, exclamation point, and look at his eyebrows. Don't they look mean? Can't read, said Jumper. Me neither, said Me Too. I can burp the alphabet, said Ditto. Ooh. Huh, said Captain FB. That's a good start. I'll teach you to read, Lemmings, Foxy promised. They practiced reading all afternoon. We are lemmings. C is for cliff. Until lemmings, don't jump off cliffs. Finally, Foxy returned to his reading, but Captain PB could not. Where's my paper? Uh-oh, what do you think they're gonna do with the paper? We fly! And look, they have a fish with them too. And that is the end of Read the Book, Lemmings. And here they've crossed out illiterate, so it just says literate, which means you know how to read. Love it, me too, ditto. And that Lemmings rule. And that is the end of the book. That was a really good one. So give me your silent signal of what you thought about Read the Book, Lemmings, written by Amy Dyckman, illustrated by Zacharia Ohora.